actually see a thing twice already. Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a day in my life. If you have been following me for 2 years now, you would have known that my birthday is on the 27th of November. So I'm gonna go in the town, I'm gonna get my hair done, I'm gonna get my nails done, and I want to take you guys along with me. So, and it's raining. It is raining on the outside. I'm waiting on a drive to come and pick me up because I don't have any umbrella. Let my mom my umbrella I'm gonna get it back. So I don't have no umbrella. Hopefully there'll be no rain on Saturday, and God will spare my life to celebrate my birthday. And next thing guys, my name will come off of all
My name will be coming off Helman or Pierre Colindo. Can you believe that? So, that's why I get all in our place.
so anyway, stay tuned until I come back to no. Okay guys, I'm finally gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Alright guys, this is the main reason why I'm doing it. Look at the position of this one. Look at the position of this one. One is in, one is out. Obviously one. It is really there. I'm gonna get my hair first. Anyway, guys, that hair is here. 11:25 after my favorite.
So guys, appears both hairs, but one did not align properly with the other one, so I had to take it out and re-pierce it. It was so hot.
You got to see a thing twice already.
So now we're in Maxi. I'm looking for a white outfit, dress to be exact, but I don't know if I'll be able to find one. If not, then I will have to go somewhere else to get it. Now I'm at the salon. It's time to get my hair do, but I have to take out the earring. Also, I have to be mindful of the fact that I just got freshly pears. So me have to remind the ear just not to at the top cause me no want ball like a baby.
So I'm going to get my hair shampoo.
No, 1 day that. No, but the minute listen, the minute you take it, you feel like it shifts something inside of you. No man, I'm naturally
I never come with expectation to wash my hair. My this feel good and while somebody not playing on my ear. Okay, so I forgot.
Alright guys, so my hair has washed and blown out, so it's now for it to get done. Tiki, sir. Guys, I'm having chicken patty with cocoa bread, and for my juice I'll be drinking a good old Jamaican country style orange juice. It feels so good to have someone combing my hair. I haven't had anyone in my head for so long.
Certain things in family life.
Okay.
Bulara. Guys, say, oh, my mother look good. Say, oh, mommy look good.
No, me never ate it. Eat it, Rupert. You eat meat? No. What make? It went too raw. What raw? Okay.
I'm gonna get my nails done. So guys, I'm going to get my nails done. I'm just going to go white because I'm going to wear a white Air Force. My birthday. All white. White signifies purity, so I'm gonna go all white.
Did I notice?
2 hours later.
Don't want to do it either. You have that charger from nothing to my. No, here's enough.
Oh,
And
and
half our year.
and it fit not true.
You're fit enough, man. That's all we can rest from this year.
Oh my god.
Your head not big yet.
I just sit here.
One ear. Good, strong ear.
She have African picking here.
Water, you take this now.
No sir. Thanks, I can't give her now, yeah? Maya?